record this like a million times. Module 4 talks about the need for psychological science. And Module 5, however, talks about the scientific method and description. Hindsight bias is the I knew it all along. It's when an event happens and you were like, I predicted that. Overconfidence is basically overestimating we know or can do something more than we actually can do or know something. Module 5, a theory, is when we explain behaviors and events based on what we observed. Like I can say, reading means you write better. But a hypothesis, however, is something that can be tested, and it's used on if-then statements. So I can say, if you read more, then your writing is better. Operational definition is something that can be uses measurement, and it's something that's manageable. It's like a carefully worded descriptive statement that anyone can replicate. So I can say, so if I wrote like a whole procedure of like how I will test a student and give them like these books so that I can see how their writing improves. I would talk about like the days I would do it, maybe how long, maybe the tests and stuff. Also with operational definitions, if this study can be replicated and you get like similar results, then it shows that it's reliable. A case study is in-depth research method. It's a research method that's really in-depth, and it's used to like unveil universal truth, look into atypical behavior, and it cannot discern general truths. Naturalistic observation is, I don't know, I kind of think of like a spying, but you're doing it for a good reason. Like, it's when the subject doesn't know they're being tested on, okay? It describes behavior, but it doesn't explain it. So like I'm just like watching this little squirrel and I'm watching how it is, but it doesn't know. Or I can be watching someone in a park, like, I don't know, seeing how they interact with other human beings, but they don't know they're being tested. A survey is basically you gather a ton of info on people and you want it to be random sampling. Like you want it to be, a population is the group you are studying, but with surveys, you want random sampling within these populations, so it's like an equal chance with everyone. A sampling bias, however, if you only choose these certain people in a group, then there's some bias, and it's like either under or overrepresenting some people compared to the other people in the population.